Surah, number 71, of Quran Majeed. Nuh.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
إِنَّا أَرْسَلْنَا نُوحًا إِلَى قَوْمِهِ أَنْ أَنذِرْ قَوْمَكَ مِنْ قَبْلِ أَنْ يَأْتِيَهُمْ عَذَابٌ أَلِيمٌ.
Indeed we sent Noah to his people, saying, warn your people before a painful punishment overtakes them.
قال يا قوم إني لكم نذير مبين.
He said, O my people, indeed, I am a manifest warner to you.
أن اعبدوا الله واتقوه وأطيعون.
Worship Allah and be wary of Him, and obey me.
يغفر لكم من ذنوبكم ويؤخركم إلى أجل مسمى إن أجل الله إذا جاء لا يؤخر لو كنتم تعلمون.
That He may forgive you some of your sins and respite you until a specified time. Indeed, when Allah's appointed time comes, it cannot be deferred, if you know.
قال رب إني دعوت قومي ليلا ونهارا.
He said, My Lord, indeed, I have summoned my people night and day.
فلم يزدهم دعائي إلا فرارا.
But my summons only increases their evasion.
وإني كلما دعوتهم لتغفر لهم جعلوا أصابعهم في آذانهم واستغشوا ثيابهم وأصروا واستكبروا استكبارا.
Indeed, whenever I have summoned them, so that you might forgive them, they would put their fingers into their ears and draw their cloaks over their heads, and they were persistent in their unfaith, and disdainful in their arrogance.
ثم إني دعوتهم جهارا.
Again I summoned them aloud.
ثم إني أعلنت لهم وأسررت لهم إسرارا.
And again appealed to them publicly and confided with them privately.
فقلت استغفروا ربكم إنه كان غفارا.
Telling them, plead to your Lord for forgiveness. Indeed, He is all forgiving.
يرسل السماء عليكم مدرارا.
He will send for you abundant rains from the sky.
ويمددكم بأموال وبنين ويجعل لكم جنات ويجعل لكم أنهارا.
And aid you with wealth and sons, and provide you with gardens and provide you with streams.
ما لكم لا ترجون لله وقارا.
What is the matter with you that you do not look upon Allah with veneration?
وقد خلقكم أطوارا.
Though He has created you in various stages.
ألم تروا كيف خلق الله سبع سماوات طباقا.
Have you not seen how Allah has created the 7 heavens in layers?
وجعل القمر فيهن نورا وجعل الشمس سراجا.
And has made therein the moon for a light and the sun for a lamp.
والله أنبتكم من الأرض نباتا.
Allah made you grow from the earth, with vegetable growth.
ثم يعيدكم فيها ويخرجكم إخراجا.
Then he makes you return to it, and he will bring you forth, without fail.
والله جعل لكم الأرض بساطا.
Allah has made the earth a vast expanse for you,
لتسلكوا منها سبلا فجاجا.
so that you may travel over its spacious ways.
قال نوح رب إنهم عصوني واتبعوا من لم يزده ماله وولده إلا خسارا.
Noah said, My Lord, they have disobeyed me, following someone whose wealth and children only add to his loss.
ومكروا مكرا كبارا.
And they have devised an outrageous plot.
وقالوا لا تذرن آلهتكم ولا تذرن ودا ولا سواعا ولا يغوث ويعوق ونسرا.
They say, Do not abandon your gods. Do not abandon Wad, nor Suwa, nor Yog-Youth, Ya'ok, and Naz.
وقد أضلوا كثيرا ولا تزد الظالمين إلا ضلالا.
And already they have led many astray. Do not increase the wrongdoers in anything but error.
مما خطيئاتهم أغرقوا فأدخلوا نارا فلم يجدوا لهم من دون الله أنصارا.
They were drowned because of their iniquities, then made to enter a fire, and they did not find any helpers for themselves besides Allah.
وقال نوح رب لا تذر على الأرض من الكافرين ديارا.
And Noah said, My Lord, do not leave on the earth any inhabitant from among the faithless.
إنك إن تذرهم يضلوا عبادك ولا يلدوا إلا فاجرا كفارا.
If you leave them, they will lead astray your servants, and will beget none except vicious ingrates.
رب اغفر لي ولوالدي ولمن دخل بيتي مؤمنا وللمؤمنين والمؤمنات ولا تزد الظالمين إلا تبارا.
My Lord, forgive me and my parents, and whoever enters my house in faith, and the faithful men and women, and do not increase the wrongdoers in anything but ruin.